Welcome back to our channel. For today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix the iPhone battery draining fast running on iOS 17. First, go to your settings, then tap on General, and tap Software Update. Check if your phone is running on the latest version. After that, go to Battery sections on the settings. Then in here, scroll down and see all the apps that have the high battery usage. Then you can limit using these apps or closing them. Now next, go to Background App Refresh. In the settings, tap on General, then tap Background App Refresh. In here, turn off the apps that you want to preserve the battery life of your iPhone. Next method you can do is to enable the auto brightness of your iPhone. In the Settings main tab, tap on Accessibility, tap Display and Text Size. Then scroll down and turn on the button beside the auto brightness to help preserve the battery life. Next method is to disable the location services. In the Settings app, tap on Privacy and Security, tap Location Services, then choose the apps that you want to limit the use of location services. Click on the app that you want or the unnecessary one. Then you can choose while using to limit the app to use location, which it can also help to preserve the battery. You can also directly see the battery health and charging of your iPhone in the Settings app. Go to Settings, tap on the battery, and tap Battery Health and Charging. Now see if the important message is showing on your iPhone, where it will be recommended to replace your battery to restore its peak performance. Last method I can share to you guys is to turn off the Wi-Fi, cellular data, Bluetooth, or AirDrop and hotspot if you're not using them. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.